So yes, first of all, many thanks that so many of you came today to this exciting seminar. Before we start, I just want to do a very brief introduction to where we are here today, and also what kind of metabolomics research we do locally at SSI. We are here at SSI, which is the Danish National Health Institute, which of course you know if you're from Denmark, but maybe if you're joining from outside. So SSI is responsible for a number of health-related services, but also we have a very active research environment. And also what is maybe less known is that we host the Danish National Biobank and also the Danish National Genome Center. And so in particular, the Danish National Biobank is a fantastic resource for us for research, because with 8.5 million samples in store, it is one of the biggest and most advanced biobanks in the world. And so this is particularly exciting for us to do research on, because we can link all of those biological samples also to diverse health and social records from the Danish registries, offering great opportunities for population-based research. And so here within SSI, I'm heading the metabolomics research group, and we have our main focus on the neonatal dried heel prick samples, which are collected 2 to 3 days after birth, and of which we have over 2 million samples in store. So that's about half of the Danish population. And so our goal is to use these samples to basically predict disease early on using metabolomics methods. And so our vision is that at one point we will have methods that are so good that we can basically predict disease at birth, fostering the development of predictive, preventive, and personalized diagnostics. And obviously, we think that metabolomics methods are ideal to do that, because the metabolome, as you know, reflects all metabolites a human body synthesizes, ingests, or has come in contact with, and thus reflects many key factors that influence our health. And as you maybe can imagine, with the big cohorts we work with, acquiring the data is not so much a challenge for us anymore, and we have very high throughput. But what is really challenging is actually analyzing the data and making sense of the data we are collecting. And this is why our group also has a keen interest within computational metabolomics methods. And I really think that computational metabolomics methods have great potential to bring the metabolomics field forward, both in quality control monitoring and also in interpreting biological information. And so very luckily, we have invited 4 great speakers today that will introduce us to their latest research projects exactly within those fields. And so the seminar is organized through the CLIME network. CLIME was founded in 2018, and our goal is to bring together researchers and clinicians within the metabolomics field to interact and share information and collaborate. If you are not already a member, please feel free to join us. You can sign up directly on our homepage on CLIME.dk. And also, we are currently looking for sponsors. So if you're interested and think that sounds like a good idea, please feel free to reach out to us. We are currently 6 members in the board, and my responsibility is to do the data science and informatics outreach. And on that note, we will be organizing a metabolomics summer school on data mining for biomedical research here at Statens Serum Institute. So if you're interested, please save the date. And so with no further ado, I would like to get the seminar started. I would like to say a huge thanks for the whole CLIME organizing committee, and especially for the local organizing group, which is basically my group here, and they put a huge effort into making the seminar work. We have some beers and snacks for after the seminar, so please feel free to stay a bit around with us and chat, and hopefully discuss a lot of exciting science.